Hey guys, I'm Bruce from Elkstyle. So here today I'm gonna show you how to reproduce the issue for um, Chinese editing. So here, as we can see, there is a text entry, and this is a sentence in Chinese, and here is a Chinese version of period. It's like a punctuation. So now I'm trying to strong this sentence. I would choose board with the punctuation, and this one is pretty much the same thing, but this time I won't choose the punctuation. And for comparison, I will do the same thing in English sentences, um, and save draft. Okay, now if we review entry, you will find some magic things that others are correct, but the first sentence is incorrect. As you can see, the board, the text isn't boarded as expected. So that's the issue. So if now if you refresh the page, refresh the page, you will see the pretty much. I did some debugging, so here is what I found. I have located the question. So first is like related in editing part. So it's like we can see Mir is using Prose Mir editor. It's an open source editor library. So as we can see, the value with Mir passed to the library is correct. It's a markdown. But later, so here is still correct. So as we can see, the value is correct. But after this parser, their markdown parser, to convert it to the state editor state, something went wrong. So as we can see, the doc, the doc here. So there are 5 content which represents 5 lines, and the second line, as we can see, the text is still the old one, and the second line, the second line, you can see the content should be 3 because it's past the markdown syntax correctly to split it into 3. Then for the second one, it's like with a special with special marks to show it's like another, is like a strong, the type is strong, so which is correct for the second line. So I found the open source project is called this one. So I pulled the code and wrote down the put down some testing code in the unit test file. So basically the same sentence, and try to give it a correct expectations. And after I run this unit test, it's showing showing something wrong. And I also put some testing code on the top. So we basically use their parser to parse the 2 sentences I'm using in Mir editor. So as we can see, the text here is not parsed correctly. So that should be the root cause for this issue. I just today I just list what I found. So it's gonna take more time to debugging in the code and submit a pull request to fix it. I'm not going to do this today because we are collecting the issue, the editing issue. So this is one of the issue. If you guys found more issues regarding Mir editing experience, especially in Chinese editing, so you can feel free to create a post here, list your questions, so we will take a look together. Then we will make a proposal to create a Mir improving project to see if we can make it better. in some way. Yeah, so this pretty much for this issue. By the way, I found the if there's someone from your front-end team, I can give you some advice. So first, I can see the source code completely. So which means your source map is publicly available. I'm not sure if it's a best practice for you guys or not. Normally, we won't show the source map. Just for some reason. And then when I checked the code, I found you guys using Web3 React library. Web3 React libraries like they're using GPL license, open source license. So which means theoretically you guys need to open source your front-end code due to the definition of the GPL open source license. So you guys probably need to think about it to replace with others or open source your front-end code maybe. I'm not sure, just advice. Okay, so that's it for today for this issue. So yeah, see you next time.